Hello! This is going to be a guide on how to set up your Konica Minolta Copier on a new network, either for the first time or after moving it to a new network. Start by going into Utility and then Administrator. By default, this password will either be 1 through 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or it will be that twice in a row, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then hit OK, and once you're logged in, here you're going to click Network. Then click TCP/IP setting, then TCP/IP setting 1. Here is where we're going to set the copier from manual to auto. You can see ours is already set to auto. DHCP and auto IP are good to keep there. Click OK. You may get a pop-up that says, "Network data is being processed." If that message persists for longer than 60 seconds, ensure that the network cable is plugged in correctly and that you see a green and orange light on the network port. If you do not, you need to reach out to your IT team to troubleshoot any network issues. Once you have the settings set, go ahead and turn off the copier. Wait for about 30 seconds and turn it back on. On the newer models, the power switch is on the right-hand side, near tray 1. On older models, the power switch is behind the front door, in the bottom left corner. And when the copier's back online, you're going to have a new IP address. You need to take note of this IP address for when you download the print driver. Go into Utility. Then go into Device Information. Jot down this new IP address. Your device is now networked. Check out our print driver video tutorial for how to download and install the universal print driver